What the hell have I done? First and foremost, thank you to my Patreons, which is actually the reason I can make these videos and actually the purpose of this video. You guys are not going to believe this. I have been pushing so hard to get information out to the Patreons, to make videos for them, to tell them things that you can't say online, that I couldn't believe it. I actually have made, YouTube informed me today that I've made 524 videos that are on YouTube. And wow. And then I was like, wait a minute. So it just doesn't feel that way. So I checked it out. And I've actually published 360 public views. So basically like 160 plus videos that only the Patreons have seen. Pretty interesting stuff, guys. Pretty interesting stuff. We cover a lot of stuff. Everything from antibiotics, how to make fire. I mean, just everything that is preparedness is being done on the Patreon. And if you're not part of it, well, hey, so be it, man. But if you seriously can't afford $3 a month for 30 days out of work out of me for less than the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee, I would just ask you to take a harder look at it, because the reality is you're missing out. And I had no idea how much you were. Yes, that's shameless self-promotion. Yes, I'm really doing the work. Yes, I'm going to be on a podcast tomorrow. It's going to get published. Something like more with Lando. I apologize, Lando. I just can't remember the name of the podcast. I just remember your first name, which I won't say. There's a lot of big things that are coming, guys. We're running out of time. No, the world is not going to end for all the crazy people. But yeah, we need to start focusing on the community itself, and not, we're past getting the word out. We're at that point where we have to like commune. We have to like interact with each other, share ideas, and push the limits of this stupidity that we're living through right now. It's actually not an idiocracy anymore. It is idiocracy, like the frickin' movie. All right, I think that's all I wanted to say. Till the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. And if you're not in the Patreon, you are missing out. Bye-bye.